Hi friends, welcome back. In today's section, we are going to prepare our own stock portfolio in Excel with all automated values. Let's see how to prepare this. First, we will prepare our data, serial number, stock name, purchase price, quantity, purchase value. Okay, so now we will convert our data into table. Control L. Okay, remove the banded rows, remove the filter button, and change the style as per your requirement. So here I don't want a manual values, so for this I will use row function for automatic increasing values. So then our value is 5, but I want 1. Then again minus and row function. Now click this cell, close. Perfect. Here I want stock names which you can get from Google. For Tata Consultancy Services, the shortcut code is TCS. Okay. Current price is 4,393. So approximately 4,200 and 5 shares. Purchase value equals purchase price into quantity. Perfect. Yeah. Now for Reliance, the code is Reliance. Okay. And suppose 2,500 of purchase, 10 shares, 25,000. Next, Titan. The code is Titan. Suppose I have purchased this with 3,500 and 10 shares. Till now, perfect. Total 81,000. Okay. So now select the stock names and then click on data. So click on stocks. Here we go. See, all names change based with the shortcut codes. See here, TCS, Reliance and Titan. Perfect. This is our purchase value. Now I want current value to be displayed here. So here you can observe one small plus icon. Click that and lot of options will come. Here you need to click on price. Here. So for Titan company, 3,484 rupees. 3,494. So there will be some small change will be there. And one more thing, now the stock exchange get closed at exactly 3:30. So now there is no trading time. There will be a little bit change there. So these values are for just only for our calculation purpose only. This is our current price. Okay. So here current price. So we will create a new column with current value equals current price into quantity. So current value is 21,939 and our purchase value was 21,000. So let's see whether loss or profit. Profit or loss equals current value minus purchase value. Perfect. So total how much? 6,061 rupees is the profit value. Suppose we have purchased this Titan with 3,000. Sorry. So 4,941 or profit. If we have purchased this with 3,800, so 3,000 minus loss. So these values, this current value, whenever the stock exchange opens, in every minute the value get changes. Suppose if you want to add some more columns, so click on plus icon and here you can also select the high value. See here, for this stock purchase price was this and this is current price and this price is the highest price on the day. In the same way you can extract lowest value and also you can extract currency, exchange, total volume, etc. and change different yesterday and today, what is the change. Okay, in this way we can maintain all our stocks. Hope you understood this section. If you have any doubts or queries, as always, you can use the comment box. Thank you for your valuable time. Bye.